Bonjour mes amis, Codger Biker here. Look at these mirrors. Double take again. Yep, gone back to them. Not a big fan of the stock mirrors on this bike. Keep knocking them and then they won't tighten up properly. Got left hand thread on both sides for some reason or other. Bit silly. So I've put these on. Nothing new about them, but this is what it's like to fit them to a CB500X. Okay, so these are the OEM stock mirrors on the 2023 on the CB500X. I'm guessing they're probably all the same. These are all 14mm. What it's got is a 10mm threaded 14mm spanner adapter, and that it goes in clockwise and converts to a left-hand thread, because both of the mirrors, you can see there, both the mirrors, there's the lock nut, are left-hand thread on both sides, which seems a bit odd to me, but there you go. So it's also left-hand thread, so your right and your left mirrors are both left-hand thread with left-hand lock nuts on them. That's the way they are. Anyway, they've been annoying me for a long time, so it's time for those to go. So I've been patient. So I ordered this off Amazon. It's DoubleTake mirror set. Look on Amazon yourself, you don't need a link from me, but it comes with various options, so let's have a look inside. Had these before on other bikes, really like them, so let's see what you get as a package. We get 2 ram arms, as expected, stickers, and we also get 2, in inverted commas, indestructible mirrors, and 2 ram ball mounts, which I hope are just the same as the adapters on those, clockwise. We don't need any of that left-hand thread to right-hand thread nonsense. That's a left-hand thread on that end, so that's no good on the Honda. Clockwise. Okay, so looking at them, these are both clockwise extenders. So are these, but they've got a different style to them, so that must indicate that they're a smaller thread, I'm guessing. So that whole kit, as I say, came off Amazon. It's a complete set of everything you need for a pair of DoubleTake mirrors. So, just in case you're not, you've got your ram mount, that end, and on that end, you tighten it up, and it grips the mirror, and then you can, they're infinitely adjustable, very reliable, and very strong. You can easily fold them out of the way. That's why I like them. Hello! Yeah, so it turns out the 2 adapters are different thread. The coarse, the square one, hexagonal one, is too coarse. The one with the rounded edge is the correct thread. Probably don't even need the extension, could probably just put the ram ball straight in there, we'll see. Good news is that the ram mount goes straight in without an adapter, so the adapter's not really required. This will go straight in and looks to be high enough. It's not far off the OEM mirror without the adapter, so I'm going to start without the adapter. If I think I need the adapter later on, I'll put them in, but let's keep it simple. Go and put it in the bike. It's plenty high enough, plenty of adjustment. Do the same on the other side in a minute. Yeah, there's not much in it. you can lift the arm up, and so even without the adapters it's about the same. Infinitely flexible, of course. Mm. Just to hold it firm. Oh, I do like a folding mirror. There's some more. I'd read the instructions, it's all there in clear, look, there are different threads that you get, and fortunately on the CB500X you just put that straight in if you want. That's what I've done. So that's how that went. Quite like them. They are infinitely adjustable. I do like them because when I put the bike away I can just fold them up out of the way. Very good. On that note, Codger Biker, waiting at the lights, is out. Ciao.